how to turn off Instagram notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Instagram app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off notifications for Instagram, open settings, go to notifications. Under notification style, you'll most likely find the Instagram application here. Tap on it and just make sure to turn off the toggle next to Instagram here. Once you turn off the toggle next to Instagram, you can just go to series suggestions and also look for the Instagram application over here under the I section. And then again here also make sure to turn off the toggle and notifications for the Instagram app will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off Instagram notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.